Next, triangular bandaging. Arm sling. Support injured arm slightly away from the chest with the wrist and hand slightly higher than elbow with other hand. Place the one point of triangular bandage between the forearm and the chest with its point toward the elbow and stretch well beyond it. Pull the upper end over the shoulder on the uninjured side and around the neck. Bring the lower end of the bandage over the hand and forearm and tie both the neck at hollow above the collarbone. Put a cushion pad under the note. Bring the point around the elbow and secure it to the sling. Check the signs of circulation loss, that is pulse, fingernail, color. The hand should be in a thumbs up position within the slings and slightly above the level of elbow, that is about 4 inches.